So now I'm hiding meshes that I don't need to make Zbrush working a little bit faster. You can of course lower geometry on these parts or just hide them completely. So using clay brush we are touching these hands. Making it more defined. Of course, turn off your RGB, we don't need any colors. We will be adding colors at the end of this video. So we are making this surface a little bit flat, so we have something like nails. We will redefine them later when we will make this geometry more heavy, when we will subdivide it. So we have to redefine some bones, of course, and add some details to these hands. To make them feel a little bit more natural. So as I said, we define some bones to make these parts a little bit more visible. So we are working right now a little bit around this thumb. And the inside of this hand. Using clay brush, we are adding some volumes. Now pushing some faces to have, of course, our bones or joints more visible. What I'm doing right now is hiding just rest of the body, and we want to have only this hand visible to make our workflow cleaner. And yeah, we have now clear space. So right now working inside of the hand and making some wrinkles. Hand is bending in this this part, so we can make some little wrinkles right there. So right now we are redefining a little bit these nails using standard brush. We are just cutting a little bit to make them more visible from the surface. Hands are pretty difficult to do, so I encourage you to watch them from some distance and see if they are behaving correctly, if the anatomy is correctly. It's good, of course, but you just have to pay attention really to make them look realistic. Sometimes I see in some works that people have finger twisted in different directions, and it makes feel a whole character just unnatural. So it's good habit of making good hands and still redefining these nails. And we've got one more. So after subdividing it, I had to redefine this part inside of the hand a little bit more, making wrinkles more visible. Just standard work. And now using clay brush to clear the surface from any noise. and we are playing with this thumb because it seems to have bad position, so you can use standard move tool or use other tricks in Zbrush. So I'm smoothing right now everything to have clear surface. We will be having gloves on this hand, so we don't have to care really about clearing it completely because we will make our gloves just in Zbrush. We will select our hand and we will extrude in Zbrush this selected mesh, and then we will subdivide it and add some details. So we will probably see these gloves in second movie. Okay, so our hands are probably done. They need probably a little bit of work, but we will leave it and we will import, as you see, our completed shirt. And since I like colors, we will add some colors to this mesh that we have already. And you will see it will be looking really good. Shirt will be a little bit red. Jeans, of course, blue, and brown shoes, brown beard, and mustache, hair. So let's see. And I'm switching between different subtools, picking color and going to color tab and press fill object to colorize it. Now jeans, we have some blue color right now, fill object. Now boots. Now he really looks like a Santa Claus with this white beard and white hair. So we will change this soon. it's a little bit too dark right now. Now it's okay, I think. I had some problems with hair on the top of his head because when I was hitting fill object, nothing was going on. So I've just painted using just pencil and RGB on and ZL off. And right now you see that we are painting our hair. I don't know why fill object on this particular subtool didn't work. Yeah, but you see it looks pretty cool right now with these colors. So see you in next movie.